Hi guys, this is Short. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY Detail 1 year graphene coating again. Last time I used it with a sprayer on a non-prepared car. It was just washed and dried. On this occasion, as I mentioned in the previous video, I'm going to drip it on an applicator, so I'm not going to use a spray head. And also I'm going to prepare the car properly. So this one will have polishing, degreasing, name it. And yeah, I'm recording the video in the middle of April 2026, so you can ask me later on how long it is lasted or if it is still on at that particular time. Let's roll.
Got the neighbors sitting, knocking on the floor. Got the neighbors sitting, knocking. Got the neighbors sitting.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. Bring me down, whatever. Call me off whenever. I got time whenever now. You look great, however. This can't wait for the better. Let us talk forever now. Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light, to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all. Cause I deny it, deny I am. Drowning in your arms, still I want it all. Cause I deny we're no good for each other. I bring you down whenever. Try to find a clever way to say that I'm better now. You look great, however. This can't wait for the better. Cause now I got a clever mind. Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light, to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I deny it, deny I am. Drowning in your arms, still I want it all. Cause I deny we're no good for each other.
Alrighty boys and girls, that was the DIY Detail 1 year graphene spray coating for the second time. I will put a link in the video for the first application on a different car. On that one I sprayed it on and yeah, I leveled it and then I buffed. On this one I've done, oh, and that one was without any preparation. On this car I've done pre-wash, wash, or contact wash, iron fallout remover. I used a clay towel, I removed the water spots, I polished it in 2 steps, also I degreased the surface and so on, and then I applied with the applicator, I leveled it and then I buffed. In this video I wasn't splashing water around. If you want to see the water beading, go check out the previous one. As I said, now it's the middle of April 2026, so later on you can ask me if it is still on and I will try to catch the owner just to figure out if it is still having any sort of protection. But other than that, it gave a very nice shine and the surface is slick like crazy. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.